Since I started making videos for the program, I don't buy anything without researching and making sure it will also help me create content. So let's say I want to buy a new hammer. I go to Amazon search bar and begin collecting the best options by adding them to the template. But before that, here are 3 important points. Number 1, only consider products that show the number of sales from last month in the results, so you know for sure that they are selling. Number 2, select options that do have videos featured at the top to ensure your video will have visibility. And number 3, avoid picking options that already have 5 or 6 videos in the carousel, not only because there is too much competition, but also because there is a chance that by the time you get the product and make the video, those 1 or 2 free video spots may be taken. So once you find products that follow these 3 rules, add them to the template by copying and pasting part of the name, then writing down the type of product it is, for example here a hammer. Add the link to the product page and input the price and how many sales it had last month. Then continue to fill up all the other properties that matter to you. To add another product of the same type, you no longer need to rewrite the whole thing in this column. The option will be available in the drop-down menu. And once you have a few options there, switch to the by product type view and it will show you all your options per product type in a beautiful display manner like this. But what's even better is that the sorting is already set up to prioritize options with the highest sales and the least video competition. This way you can invest in products that have the greatest potential to generate income for you. And of course, you can customize how the sorting works as well. For example, if it's more important for you to have less competition rather than focusing on the number of sales, you can drag that property to the top of the sorting. If you want to consider the price, you can add it to the mix by clicking Add Sort and selecting it from the list. For me, seeing the sales at the top and knowing there are video spots is what helps me make an informed decision before buying something that will also work for creating content. Now, what happens when you have made your choice and ordered the item? Well, you click on the status and change it to products I have. And just like that, it will be right there waiting for you to set a date and start making videos about it.